Alright, so we are arriving, or we have arrived.
Yeah, on a rainy day.
Yeah, as you can see those beautiful clouds straight
Beautiful
ahead.
Ohio's guys.
But we are at Maumee Bay State Park in Oregon, Ohio. It's been about a year and a half since we've been here last.
And the last time we stayed here, we were in the White Hawk, and directly across from us was an Airstream.
Yes. We'll have to go back and review the footage, but I think that the truck that was towing it was a black Silverado, so it may have just been a foreshadowing of sorts.
When we got here, there was 3 walk-in sites available. That's it.
Yep.
Kind of like the last time we were here. Got a walk-in site. It was like the last one or something like that.
Yep, that's pretty much it. So we are driving down the road right now.
Hey, look at the zombie response team car on the right.
All sorts. One of the reasons we like this park is because of these brush rows in between the sites.
They're really nice separation between neighbors.
Right. It's very, it gives you that sense of seclusion.
Yep, we're in Ohio.
It is really coming down out there. Windy, rain like crazy. Guy is not pleased. Huh. You scared? You gotta sit. You can't see your face. He doesn't know how to perform.
No,
He's not very good.
It's raining. It's scary.
Yeah, he heard thunder.
We got set up like literally just in time.
Yeah, well, we got set up really fast too.
What, 10 minutes, 5 minutes?
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. We didn't have to use any leveling blocks. It was just perfect.
Yeah, this I would say the site for this campground is great. The site was back in, perfectly level side to side.
Yeah. But now we have this to deal with. For this foreseeable future. It's supposed to be good tomorrow though.
Yeah, we'll probably just close it out here for the day.
Yeah.
I mean, it's 6:46 p.m. Friday. We're probably not even gonna leave the trailer.
Probably not. I mean, Mike's got his boots off.
Yeah, if I take my boots off,
He's done.
I'm done for the day.
He did work today, and it is Friday, so he did work extra.
Yeah.
So he deserves it.
I did a CDL testing, and a woman came in to test her school bus, and she failed, and she cried hard because she failed. It's so awkward. Incredibly awkward.
So yes, it was a very emotionally challenging day for Mike today.
Yes, I'm done for the day. I got pizza rolls.
Yeah, pizza rolls and I have a couple sips of beer just to unwind, and we'll pick you guys back up tomorrow. So I just wanted to take a minute to show everyone our campsite here at Maumee Bay. What we like about it is all that seclusion, that brush row goes all the way around, even on to the other side.
And pretty much every site here is laid out just like this.
Yeah, it's really nice if you're looking for a place where you're not right up on top of each other, because everyone has a really decently sized site. Like, look at how big this one is, and then look at our neighbor across the street. Like, look at how big that lot is. It's huge. And that path right there is like a walking, biking path, I believe. Probably goes to a outhouse or shower house or something.
Yeah, I think there's like a restroom or a shower house in the middle between these rows.
Okay.
And it'll take you to that shower house and probably another walkway over to the other row.
Yeah.
I think. It's been so long since we've had to use a restroom or a shower house at a campground.
I know, sorry guys who have to use that stuff. We just haven't for several years. But the dogs are really enjoying just hanging out outside after that rainstorm yesterday.
Yeah, this has pretty much just been our day.
Yeah, it's been really relaxing.
I mean, what time is it? It's 4:45. We're probably gonna start a campfire soon.
Yeah, we might have dinner later.
Go for a walk.
Yeah, go for a walk.
You need to go for a walk.
Yeah.
But, I mean, yeah, sorry, we're not very excited.
Yeah,
we haven't felt like doing anything. We just wanna...
The weather's been great today. Yesterday we were kind of cooped up. So we're kind of making up for that today, and it's just been a really nice day out.
What a lazy day.
You mean, what an awesome day.
Yeah. Yeah, we just haven't done anything still.
Yeah, well, I did make dinner. I grilled up some burgers.
Yeah, it's like 8:30 or so now.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
You can hear all the cicadas. It's very end of summery sounding.
Sad sounding.
Yeah, it is kind of sad. It always reminded me as a kid of like going back to school. So.
Yeah. So we were just scrolling through the YouTube comments on the Name Our Trailer contest.
Yeah.
And there's some good names in there.
There's some really good suggestions, and we appreciate it. We have not, however, chosen a winner. We will soon, very soon.
Yeah, probably in our next video, we'll say which one we picked as being our favorite.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be good. Keep them rolling though. Keep them coming.
Yeah, some good ones.
You can still enter. It's still open until we make the next video, basically. So right now we're just kind of sitting out here having a campfire. It's a really beautiful evening. There's like no wind.
Yeah, for
it's
once.
Peaceful. It's not really very hot, and it's not really cool.
There's
it's
just,
like a weird temperature.
Yeah, there's just like no humidity.
Yeah.
Which is different.
It's rare, yeah.
So
very different.
We're just enjoying it.
Yeah, we're just gonna sit out here for as long as we want, really. Dogs are happy and content. Can't see Guy because he's right behind us.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably just hang out here at the fire till it's dark and then go to bed because we're so exciting.
Call it a night.
Yeah.
But we do plan to do some more video tomorrow. We've just left our campsite. We are in the dump station line.
We are number 4.
Yeah, which is a huge improvement from when we took another walk, and it was backed up past the first row, which is the row that we were in.
Yeah, so we wouldn't have been able to get out anyway.
Yeah. So overall, I had a really great weekend. How about you?
I did. I enjoyed it, but these weekend trips feel like crazy short.
Yeah, like I can't hardly believe that we're already packed up and leaving. I even brought it up to Mike, like, hey, you know, we can just stay longer. We're in the middle of where I work and where you work. We're right split down the middle. And put him closer to work, so I thought maybe he'd go for it.
I thought about it, but I'd have to pull the Airstream out, go to the dump station because it wasn't a full hookup site. We got like 20% fresh water left.
Yeah. So it is what it is. We're headed home. But this park is a really nice park, especially if you like to ride bikes or you have a street legal golf cart, anything like that. It is excellent. Huge places to ride, places to hike. You can even hike to the beach. So
yeah, there's just miles and miles of bike path, paved roads, whatever you want.
Yeah, the weather was good except for Friday.
Yeah, it was.
It rained the whole time, but it is what it is. It is Ohio. You're gonna have some rain. We're just used to it.
Yeah, the weekend was great though. Saturday and Sunday today.
Excellent.
It's been great. It's like 80 degrees right now, so I'm not complaining.
Yeah, it's 80, sunny, a little breezy, but not too bad.
We've stayed at this park before, but I like it. I would come back and I would recommend it.
Yeah, the one thing that I don't like is they don't really have very good playground equipment for families, but if your family is active enough and just like to ride bikes, then they'll be plenty happy with that. And then their dump station is small.
Yeah, they got two places to dump, side by side, so you're going in opposite directions of each other.
Right.
So if you leave on Sunday, you're gonna wait.
Right, unless you get up really early, that might be your best bet, because it seems like most of the people wait until it's late. I mean, we did. It's 2 o'clock. I think checkout is 1, and it's just been a huge line for the past couple hours.
Yeah, well, we'll get out of here eventually.
Yep, we'll get out of here, and we will still haven't decided where we're gonna go on our big long trip.
South, maybe?
We're thinking south again. Big surprise, but not in the same direction. Maybe not this as far. I haven't really decided. We're not really ready for fall, so everyone who's suggesting we go north, it's probably not going to happen. We like to extend the summer for as long as possible.
And we've got friends that live in the south that we can visit that we never ever see. So.
Right. It's been a couple of years, I think, since we've been able to get together with these people. So we're kind of looking forward and thinking we might do that, but nothing's set in stone, obviously. But until then,
stay tuned for the Name Our Trailer contest winner.
Yes, that will be announced after this video, and then we'll be going on our trip. So there's a lot of good things to stay in touch with. So we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.